This project is the SRON Calcium Carbonate Project in Uzbekistan. Located in Samarkand, Uzbekistan. There are two kinds of raw materials in this project. White and gray materials. Two buffer silos are set up for each raw material. White and gray materials. Stored in buffer silos by pneumatic conveying from tank trucks. Ash stored in buffer silo. Through scraper conveyor. Bucket elevator. Screw conveyor. Transport to the swing sieve for screening. After screening, raw materials of 6 particle size grades will be stored in 6 ash storage silos. The white material stored in the buffer silo can be transported to the material separation scraper conveyor. Through the screw conveyor. The material separation scraper conveyor transports the material to the pre-grinding buffer silo and then enters the grinding system. There are 3 destinations for the ash in the storage silo. One is to transport it to the material separation scraper conveyor through a screw conveyor. The material is transported to the pre-grinding buffer silo by the scraper conveyor and then enters the grinding system. One is to transport it to the big bag packaging machine for packaging through a screw conveyor. One is loading by bulk machine. Dust generated during the production process of bulk machines and packaging machines will be collected through the dust collection pipe to the dust collector on the top of the silo and then returned to the silo. Dust generated during the production process of the swing sieve. The dust is collected through the dust collection pipe to the dust collector on the top of the silo and transported to the dust silo. The finished products from the grinding system are transported to the finished product silo for storage by pneumatic conveying. There are 6 finished product silos in total. Also finished products from 2 modification machines stored in 2 of the 6 finished product silos. Each finished product silo is equipped with a single dust collector, vacuum pressure relief valve. Each finished product silo is equipped with a radar level meter for real-time monitoring of material level. At the same time, high and low level switches are set for material level control. Each finished product silo cone hopper is equipped with 2 150-liter pneumatic cannons and 1 set of flow-aiding vibrators used to break the arch and aid flow. The gray material stored in the silo has 3 destinations. One is loading by bulk machine. One is to transport it to the small bag packaging machine for packaging through a screw conveyor. One is to transport it to the big bag packaging machine for packaging through a screw conveyor. Dust generated during the production process of bulk machines and packaging machines. The dust is collected through the dust collection pipe and led to the dust collector on the top of the silo for collection and returned to the silo. The air compressor station is responsible for raw material screening, storage, and finished product transportation. Raw material grinding system, distribution, and packaging system. Providing compressed air for instruments. Main control room is used to centrally monitor and manage the electrical system, fire protection system, monitoring system, etc. of the entire project.
Хотел бы выразить благодарность компании SRON за работу. Сроки выполнили вовремя, всегда ответственно относились к своей работе. Также коллектив компании SRON очень ответственно проявил себя на нашей площадке. Надеемся, что в будущем также будем сотрудничать с компанией SRON в новых наших объектах. Выражаю огромную благодарность. Спасибо.
Thank you.